Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how code splitting works inside of React. So basically what code splitting does is when you refresh a page in React, like a web app, you just refresh the page and it will download every single file that's in your directory right here. Um, but sometimes we don't want that. Like if we have a home page or an about page, if we're on the home page, we don't need the data from about page. So we could split the code up based on what page you're on, and it makes the app faster. And yeah, so we'll get into it here. So we're going to go into terminal and npm I react router DOM. And this is just a simple create React app. Um, so that's done. Now we could npm run start the server. And as you can see, app, which is right here, so we're good. So we'll start by using the React router to have routing in our app. So browser router from React router DOM. And we'll also need routes and route components. So we'll remove this. We'll wrap the entire app browser router. Then we'll have routes. We'll declare our routes here. And each route will have a path. So the home route will have that path, and the element is home. We have to import home from the current directory. And by the way, like the home and about pages, I just have like it just says home and then a link to the other page, just for an example. So we'll do the same thing with the about, and we'll change the path to about and the components to about, and we need to import that. And as you can see now, we're on this page, and we can go to home, to about, and nothing else is being rendered from the server. Like no extra data is being called. So you could see everything that's downloaded in bundle.js. That's the initial data that we're receiving for the entire app. And as you can see, there's thousands of lines, but we don't need all that. That takes up a lot of space if you had like 60 or 80 components or pages. So we need to, I'll show you how to split that up. So we'll import the suspense component from React, and we will also need the lazy component. And how the suspense component works is it wraps everything that is lazy loaded. You need that to be the parent component. So if I'll just show you and then it'll make more sense. So that should still work fine. Yeah. So now, instead of importing home and about like that, we will import it like this. Const home equals lazy, which takes a function, and it will import same as over here. Import home, and we'll do the same thing for about. And as you can see now, if I refresh the page, see this file right here, it'll load each page in chunks instead of all at once. So if I click to about, it made another request down here, and it requested the about page. So that's how code splitting works. The suspense, if you import like this with lazy, you need to wrap it in suspense components. The suspense fallback basically just means the content to be shown while you're loading the data. So this could be anything. This could be like an animation, like a skeleton loading animation, stuff you usually see. And yeah, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.